Earthquakes. Because of the movements occurring in the interior of the Earth, tremendous tension is created in the Earth's crust. When the tension goes beyond limits, the energy is released in the form of waves. This results in trembling of the Earth's surface, that is, earthquake occurs. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Causes of earthquakes: moving of the plates, colliding of plates, plates sliding one below the other, forming of fractures in rock layers due to tension in the interior of the Earth, occurring of volcanic eruptions.